Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here or if this is your first time, what's up? Hey, hello. My name is Brooke. I post beauty and lifestyle related content weekly, so subscribe to join this little family we've built here on YouTube if you want to be a part of it, which you should. You definitely should be. But I figured today, it's been a hot minute since I've done anything other than a makeup tutorial lately, so I figured I'd sit down and film a favorites video for you guys, and I'm also going to be announcing the winner of the giveaway at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. I'm so excited to choose the person. I can't wait. But let's get started with today's video. So, let's see. What's the first thing that we're going to talk about today? Might as well talk about what's sitting right in front of me, which the first thing is this pair of lashes by Tarte. And take them out of this packaging. But these are a pair of lashes that I picked up from Ulta. They're by Tarte and they're in the style Maneater, and girl, dude, you need them in your life. They remind me a lot of my Huda Beauty Samantha lashes just because of how wispy they are and how they have like that dimension and kind of like the lashes crossing different ways. I love these lashes because they're not too natural, they're not too dramatic, they're perfect for daytime or nighttime, and they're really easy to put on, which who doesn't love that? So if you guys try these out, let me know. They're only $12, so I definitely would recommend picking them up because you pay that much for Eyeliner lashes anyways. When you get like a 2-pack, it's like $7, so these are a keeper for sure. This next Tarte product I have today is not new by any means, but it is just a freaking ride or die product. I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about. This is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I've been using this religiously since I bought it. It is so pigmented, so full coverage, so moisturizing, and it blends so nicely into the skin. I've not found a concealer that I love as much as this one, and I know I'm going to be using this for a long time because it is absolutely amazing. In fact, I just picked up the foundation version of this and I have it on today and I love it. It is amazing. Tarte is killing the game, and if you have a chance to try out any of their Shape Tape products, whether it be the foundations or concealers, I would definitely try it out because they are worth the hype, let me tell you. The next product I've been loving throughout this past month has been the Bad Gal Bang by Benefit. This is another product that came out and had a lot of hype around it, and I'm always skeptical when products have hype around it because I'm pretty picky and you never know if people are kind of just like vibing off of each other, if that makes sense. So I picked this up and I absolutely love it. I tried it in the trial size first and then I just picked up the full size because I need a full tube of it because I love it that much. This stuff is great. It gives your lashes really nice volume and length, and it's super black, which is perfect. So if you are in need of a new mascara, I would recommend the Bad Gal Bang if you like more lengthening and volumizing mascaras. Then I have a primer. This here is the Becca First Light Priming Filter. This is such a beautiful primer because it has this super nice luminous tint to it. It actually, the color of the product is directly mimicking the color of the bottle, so it's just this very beautiful iridescent glow, and it looks really beautiful under foundation. It holds my makeup on all day long, but it doesn't feel too heavy or too greasy, so I really love this. And I'm gonna try out the Backlight Priming Filter because I know it's super similar to this, but it's a bit more glowy, so I'm excited to try that out. But this stuff is awesome. And then if you have been if you have been frequently visiting my channel the past couple of weeks, you will know how much I love my Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Glow Liquid Highlighter. This stuff is like the end-all be-all for me. I would take a bath in this every day if I could. Like, it is amazing, you guys. I love putting this on before foundation, in my foundation, and after foundation. I just love layering this product. It is so lightweight, it sinks into the skin so nicely, it blends so easily, and it doesn't leave your skin feeling like there's a residue or like it's tacky or greasy or anything like that. This stuff is amazing, super lightweight, super beautiful. Let me show you. I'm going to swatch this for you guys so you can see. I have a couple of other swatches on my hand, so ignore those. As you can see, it's just this super beautiful golden glow. Mine is in the shade Perla, which I reached for just because I love that golden glow. If you get the chance to try this out, like with any of these products, if you get the chance to try any of these products out, I promise you won't be disappointed because they are truly amazing. Next, we have the IT Cosmetics No Tug Eyeliner. This is just a mini sample, and I love this because it is super pigmented, super creamy, and it stays pretty much all day long, which is huge for me because my eyes tend to be pretty watery, so it's hard for me to find an eyeliner that lasts and doesn't kind of come off right after I put it on, and this stuff is great. I hope they have like a brown or something like that in this because I have been loving brown liner as well, which brings me to my next favorite of the month. I have been loving the Morphe lip liners and eyeliners. I picked up a pack, I think it had about 10 lip liners and eyeliners, like 5 each, and the liner that I've been loving the most is definitely this warm brown liner. This is in the shade Richie. It's just a beautiful warm brown, you can see right there. I love putting this on my waterline or blending it out on my lid. This is just a staple for me lately. I've been really digging the more brown liner look lately because it's much more natural and subtle, but it still gives you definition. I love their lip liners and eyeliners in general. They're super creamy, but the Richie shade in particular is my absolute favorite. Next, I have the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. I love, love, love this. I have mine in the shade 4, and then I also have the, is it the Goof Proof pencil? I also have the, yeah, the Goof Proof Brow Pencil in the shade 5. So 4 and 5 are two of the darker shades. 4 is more medium and 5 is more on the darker side. So I love both of these shades. They're perfect. I love the Precisely My Brow Pencil because, as you can see, it's like that fine pointed tip, so you can really go in and individually draw on each hair and just give a really natural brow or a dramatic brow. It gives you a lot of control. And I also love the Goof Proof Brow Pencil because it has that angled tip to it, so it just makes it so quick to just go in on a day where I'm like rushing to get ready, fill in my brows, and head out the door. So I've been loving these pencils lately. I've only ever really used Anastasia brow products, so I wanted to try out something different, and you know, can't go wrong with Benefit. Can't go wrong with Benefit. So the next product I have been absolutely obsessed with this past month is the Too Faced Chocolate Gold Soleil Bronzer. Let me open this up for you guys. As you can see, it is this beautiful warm bronzer with a nice gold tint to it. It is so, so pretty. It is very luminous, and it reminds me a lot of NARS Laguna, which is I think why I like it so much, because it just has that really nice medium tone bronzer with a bit of that gold sheen to it. Not to mention it smells and tastes like chocolate. And the reason why I say it tastes like chocolate, I don't eat it unless I'm really hungry. No, I'm kidding. I don't eat this, but every now and then when you're like putting bronzer on and you get a little bit in your mouth, you taste chocolate, and I'm never gonna complain about that. So this is a solid 10 out of 10. The next product I've been loving is the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. I've been using the Anastasia Brow Gel for the longest time, like literally as long as I can remember. And I do like that stuff. It's just sometimes it's a little too much. It's like super glue on your brows. It makes them super crunchy, and sometimes I'm just not feeling that very like stuck on brow feeling. So this is a nice brow gel that holds on. It holds up all day long. It's nice and lightweight, but it doesn't give that like kind of like crunchy. That sounds really gross, but if you've used the Anastasia brow, I've been loving this. I want to try out, I know they have a pigmented brow gel, and I really want to try that out too because I think it'll come in handy for days that I just don't feel like doing my brows. So if you guys have tried any tinted brow gels and you have any that you recommend, please let me know because I don't really know which one to get. I don't really have a preference, so I will try anything. So if you guys use one or know of any that are great, just please let me know. Next, I have been absolutely loving this Purity Made Simple moisturizer by Philosophy. This is part of their Purity line, which if you have seen other favorites videos of mine, you know how much I love the Purity cleanser, and all of the Purity products in general are truly amazing. I was iffy about trying this because it is a lotion. However, it is ultra light. It is called an ultra light moisturizer. Normally, I go for more gel formulated moisturizers because I do have skin that's more on the oily side. However, this sinks into the skin so nicely. It doesn't leave a residue. It doesn't leave me feeling like I have like something on my skin or if it's like too heavy at all. It is super lightweight, it is super moisturizing, and it smells really nice, and it's very calming on the skin. So I've just been loving this lately. This is perfect for my combination to oily skin. So if you are suffering from oily skin or combination skin, definitely try this out, or even if you have normal skin. If you have skin, just try this moisturizer out. So the next product I've been loving is the Confidence in a Cleanser by IT Cosmetics. It says it's a skin transforming, hydrating, cleansing serum. So this is more of a cleanser that I will use once all my makeup is off, or right in the morning when I feel like I just need a little bit of a rinse or a little bit of a cleanse, but I don't really want to go in with anything that's too abrasive or too harsh on the skin. This is super nice because I find that it helps to calm my skin, especially this combination in particular has been like the best for my skin lately. I wouldn't recommend this if you're looking for like an acne scrub or something that's more exfoliating, because this is super, super gentle and super hydrating. So the last product I've been loving for the month of March is another face product. This is by Lush and is their Angels on Bare Skin Cleanser. So this has lavender in it, which is awesome because it helps to really soothe the skin. I believe this also has chamomile or something else like that in here. Just a very nice calming scrub. It's not too abrasive and it's very gentle. It leaves my skin feeling very hydrated and clean afterwards without feeling like I've stripped my skin of any of the natural oils that it has. It doesn't add any oil to my face. It is just the perfect like clean slate cleanser is what I would call this. Just kidding. This is the last product that I absolutely love this month and I've been using almost every single time I do my makeup this month would be the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. Is just my dream. You guys, these tones make me feel some type of way, okay? Like there is just, it's warm, it's mauvey, it's just everything. I love this palette so much because it really does complement all eye colors, and I have green eyes, so it really helps to make my eyes pop. They're very soft and romantic. They blend very well. They're very pigmented, and I really don't think you could go wrong with this palette, so I would recommend picking this up if you are in the market for a new palette or you kind of want to branch out from what you're used to. This has just like those beautiful mauve pinky tones to it. I don't know why it took me so long to get on this bandwagon, but if I knew how much I loved it, I would have bought it like the day it came out because it's that amazing. I love Anastasia shadows in general. They're really great. They're super pigmented and super blendable. So I'm pretty sure that concludes all of my favorites. I'm like looking around to make sure I got everything. But yeah, I think that concludes everything. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like this. If you try any of these products out, let me know. And let me know some of your favorites from this month as well down below in the comments because like I said, I love trying out new products and especially products that you guys recommend to me because I always end up loving them. So feel free to leave comments down below on what products you've been loving or what kind of videos you want to see. Also remember to subscribe so you can join this little crew that we have built here on YouTube, this squad that we've built here. And thank you guys so much for 500 subscribers. I am so grateful. We're actually almost at 600, which just completely blows my mind. It makes me so happy if you can't tell by like this huge geeky smile on my face. But thank you so much to each and every person who entered my giveaway, to everyone who left such nice comments, and to everyone who has subscribed to my channel. I appreciate you and I'm so grateful, and I could get really cheesy right now, but I'm gonna spare you guys the cheese. And let's see who won this giveaway. Hi guys, so this is me again. It's me. It's a girl. I just checked and I realized the winner that I had chosen for the giveaway is not following me on Instagram, and that's not fair to everyone who had subscribed and followed me on Instagram and followed the rules. So I did pick another winner and I used a random comment generator, and the winner, I believe you pronounce it Maravik. I will be contacting her, and if she doesn't get back to me in 24 hours, I will be choosing another winner. So I just wanted to say congratulations to you, Maravik, and I hope that's how you pronounce it. I apologize if it's not, and thank you again to everyone who entered. I really appreciate it. Make sure you tune in to next month's favorite to get a chance at winning another one of my giveaways. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!